Best luggage brands comparison. Luxury luggage is more than just a travel essential. It's a statement of style, durability, and functionality. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, investing in high-quality luggage can make all the difference in your journey. In this review, the Imomo hardshell luggage set is a budget-friendly option that offers remarkable value for its price. This 5-piece set includes 3 suitcases, a travel bag, and a toiletry bag, making it ideal for travelers who need versatile packing options. The spinner wheels ensure smooth maneuverability, while the TSA lock provides added security during transit. The beige design with coffee-colored zippers adds a touch of elegance, making it suitable for casual and professional travel. With a total capacity of 35 liters, this set caters to short trips or light packers. While the Imomo luggage set excels in affordability and functionality, its lightweight build may compromise durability over time. The 360-degree spinner wheels perform well on smooth surfaces, but may struggle on uneven terrain. User reviews highlight the spacious interior and expandable travel bag as standout features, though the material quality is less robust compared to higher-end models. For infrequent travelers or those on a tight budget, this set delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. List 2. The Kenzie women's gemstone luggage stands out for its eye-catching 3D gemstone design and stylish rose gold finish. This 2-piece set includes a 28-inch check-in suitcase and a 20-inch carry-on, both equipped with an 8-wheel spinner system for effortless mobility. The TSA-approved locking system enhances security, while the fully lined interior with a waterproof pocket and compression straps ensures organized packing. Its aesthetic appeal makes it popular among fashion-conscious travelers. In terms of performance, the Kenzie luggage offers smooth handling and decent storage space, though its 18-pound weight may be cumbersome for some users. The dual-wheel system performs well on various surfaces, and the interior organization features are practical for separating items. However, the material quality is slightly less durable than premium models, making it better suited for occasional travel rather than frequent use. Overall, it's a stylish and functional choice for those prioritizing design. List number. The Deli Paris Chatelet Air 2.0 is the epitome of luxury luggage, combining sophisticated design with advanced features. Crafted from 100% polycarbonate, it boasts exceptional durability against cracking or breaking. The faux leather accents and corner protectors enhance its aesthetic appeal, while the dual-density spinner wheels ensure effortless mobility. Additional features like a USB port, Silvadur-coated lining for odor control, and patented Securitech zippers make this set a premium choice for frequent travelers. Performance-wise, the Deli Chatelet Air 2.0 excels in every aspect. Its spacious 154-liter capacity and thoughtful organizational tools, including a laundry bag and shoe bag, cater to long trips. The ergonomic handle and lightweight build ensure comfort during transit, while the TSA-approved lock provides top-notch security. Although its price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, its durability and features justify the investment for those seeking high-end luggage. List 4. The Ursity vintage luggage set offers a nostalgic nod to the Victorian era with its retro leather design and aluminum frame support. This 2-piece set includes a 20-inch suitcase and a 12-inch beauty case, making it ideal for short trips or weekend getaways. The artificial leather and PP materials ensure lightweight durability, while the heavy-duty spinner wheels provide smooth mobility. A bonus protective covering adds extra value, keeping the luggage pristine during storage or transit. While the vintage design is undeniably charming, the Ursity luggage's smaller capacity may not suit longer trips. Its lightweight build is convenient, but the artificial leather may not withstand heavy wear and tear. User reviews praise its aesthetic appeal and maneuverability, though some express concerns about its practicality for frequent use. Overall, this set is perfect for travelers seeking style over substance for short journeys. List 5. The Swissgear 7739 hardside luggage trunk combines functionality with a bold, retro design. This two-piece set includes a 19-inch carry-on and a 26-inch checked luggage, offering ample storage for various travel needs. The 360-degree spinner wheels and locking retractable handle ensure smooth maneuverability, while the split-case design and multiple interior pockets provide superior organization. Its durable lift handles and stylish stripe accents make it a practical yet fashionable choice. Swissgear's luggage trunk performs well in terms of packing efficiency and mobility. The rectangular shape maximizes storage space, though its 19.4-pound weight may be cumbersome for some users. The materials are durable enough for frequent travel, and the tie-down straps help keep items secure during transit. While it lacks some premium features like TSA locks or USB ports, it's a reliable mid-range option for travelers seeking practicality and style.